Hi, welcome to our One Flooring Minute, where I try to answer commonly asked flooring questions in less than a minute. So, today's question is, how do I know when it's time to trim my dog or my cat's nails to protect my flooring? So, this one's really easy. If you just hear like their little paws and their little nails clicking on their hardwood or LVP or laminate, it's time to cut them. It's really easy. We get asked this from time to time. Well, when do I know? If you can hear them, it's time to trim them. And that'll protect your flooring investment for a long time to come, and it'll make it less likely to get scratched. So that's today's question. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.